midnight in Moscow. And of course, the sad news earlier this week was Brian Matthew passed away. His producer, and my producer, everybody's producer, Phil the Collector Swern, is here with me now. And of course, you were with Brian for many years.
Many years. In fact, I had a phone call from the BBC about 10 years ago asking me if I would produce Sounds of the 60s as a caretaking job for 6 to 8 weeks while they sorted someone else out. 10 years later, I was still doing it. So, no, we had a really good time. Apparently, he suggested me as producer when his previous one had to leave the BBC. And so I was brought in. But it was all good and enjoyable years.
He's had an amazing career. I mean, I used to listen to him even when I was at school on the Saturday Club, and then there was Easy Beat.
Easy Beat, and they used to record that at the Playhouse Theatre. I used to go along to that. They recorded it on a Wednesday evening. I used to go along there, and I got his autograph even then when I was during my school days. And he also did that TV show, Thank Your Lucky Stars.
Oh, I remember that very well. Yes.
Now remember that I wrote off to the ITV asking them for tickets, and eventually they turned up. And to my sadness and horror, they recorded it in Birmingham, and my parents wouldn't let me go because I was only about 14 or 15.
So you never got to see it?
Well, I saw it on television, but never got up to see it live.
No.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, he had an amazing career and, did so many great programs as well, and will be sadly missed.
Yeah, and one of the great distinctive voices on radio.
Yes.
Yeah, so,
absolutely.
So, Brian, rest in peace, I say.
Absolutely, we all do, and we'll play out, with, what do you suggest?
What about the theme tune, which he's used for years, The Shadows' Foot Tapper?
Music that will always be associated with the late Brian Matthew, and thank you very much for all the music and all the great shows, Brian. Foot Tapper. And that's it. Thanks very much to studio manager Paul Brian.